All right, guys, let's get it. Uncle Mark here, DynoTrading, coming at you with a very strong trading day today. And look, man, if you got your ass handed to you in the trading game in 2025, then I got a system that I'm going to show you right here, right now. It's a simple two-step system that I think is going to deliver for you very strongly in 2026. So keep an open mind as I give you the lay of the land here, and I'd be shocked if you did not completely grasp this trading system in the next 60 seconds. All right, so let's get it. What you're seeing on the screen right now is today's live chart on gold. Today is Monday, December 29th. I cannot believe the year is up in 2 days. And in the coming year, if there's only one symbol that you decide to focus on, boys and girls, it's got to be gold. All right, so here's how all of my customers and my people traded gold today live. First thing, go ahead and open up a 3-minute Heikin-Ashi chart. All right, it's got to be a 3-minute, not a 1-minute, not a 5-minute. It has to be a 3-minute Heikin-Ashi chart. This chart style is completely free and should be available on most trading platforms. Step number 2, right click in the chart, go to indicators and slap on this indicator right here called the advanced momentum indicator. This right here is our proprietary secret sauce. You would not believe how accurate it is at keeping you on the right side of the trend. All right, matter of fact, let me go ahead and expand panel 2 because that is where the indicator loads up on. In case it wasn't obvious, as long as the momentum is red, you're only looking for shorts. Don't you dare look for any longs. If any longs show up, you got to ignore them and only focus on shorts. You feel me? All right, perfect. Last piece of business, step number 3, right click, go back to indicators, and now also slap on this indicator here called the Momentum Advanced ATR by Trader John. All right, once again, this is part of our proprietary secret sauce 2-pack. This indicator is super mission critical and it has one job and only one job, and that is to show you the signals and keep you in the length of the trend and the trade by functioning as a trailing stop loss. You with me so far? So again, this is not brain surgery. There's nothing complicated about this. When you're done, your chart should look exactly like this. Now, go ahead and shrink down panel 1 because we know it's red, so we know we're looking for shorts. And let me give you a master class on how it's done. I'm going to show you exactly how all of my people nailed it on gold today. All right, so we know that as long as the momentum indicator is red, we are only looking for shorts. Now, case in point, I want you to take a look right up here. This trade showed up around midnight, and I know there's a lot of customers of mine that love trading the nighttime session, especially on gold. This thing is super hyperactive at night. Take a look and see how this indicator nailed a beautiful short right there, right? You can see that's represented by a down arrow, aka sell, and you can see exactly how that potential short trade played out. I mean, gold got creamed for 600 ticks. Guys, that's $6,000 potential on just one contract. Think about that. Let's keep this train moving. Can you see right over here? All right, I'll zoom in here for you. Can you see we have an up arrow here representing a long signal? But, if we zoom out, take a look at the momentum, right? Momentum is red. What does that mean? Well, look, guys and gals, we do not take any longs while the momentum is red, okay? End of story, end of discussion. And if there's only one thing you take away from this video, I hope that it's never ever trade against the trend. That is most likely the reason you got your ass handed to you in 2025, so please do something different in 2026. Let's keep this train moving here. You can see here we get a relatively nice short signal around 3 o'clock in the morning, and you know, that was okay. I would say that was definitely okay because it did play out in your favor just 3 hours later, right? You can see here about 6 a.m. you were definitely in the money from your prior short. All right, let's keep this train moving one more time. All right, can you see right here, what is this? This is a long signal. You're thinking to yourself, hey, Mark, I'm going to go long. Well, no! Take a look again at the momentum. Did you hear me the first time? Absolutely no longs. All right? Period. End of discussion. Now, moment of truth, boys and girls. Take a look at this Final setup of the morning session today in gold. Can you see this? We get a down arrow representing a short signal. If we zoom out, take a look at the momentum. Yes, the momentum is red. Everything's lining up. We're going to pounce on this short. And if I show you how this bad boy played out, take a look, guys and gals, and you tell me how this simple combination of momentum and ATR absolutely nailed it for 800 ticks on gold. Yes, that's a potential of $8,000 on just one lousy contract. So look, man, you wanted a trading system that is so simple even your 6-year-old could master it in one day. Well, I've given it to you. I mean, this is a system that I would classify as simply red light, green light, right? Whenever you see the colors change in our proprietary advanced momentum indicator, then you already know what direction you should be playing the market that day. And then to look for laser precise entries, you just follow the attached momentum ATR trailing stop loss. Folks, I'm telling you, both of these indicators are going to give you the 1-2 punch that you're missing in your trading toolbox that I am very confident will turn around your trading. So if you're an existing customer on this momentum indicator, congratulations, you crushed it. And if you're not a customer, but you want more details about this system, make sure you get at me.